How to create app password for Yahoo. Select Account Information option. Select Account Security option. Click the toggle switch to set two-step verification. Select your country code. Enter your valid phone number. You will have to choose one option between send SMS and call me to get the verification code from Yahoo. Enter the verification code that you receive. Click Verify. Select Create App Password. Choose an app, then generate an app password. Generated app password. Thanks for watching.